what's the next step after we have our question? If you think about a math problem or any question that we typically have in life, what's usually the next step after we have a question?
Answer it.
Oh, close. Before we even answer it.
Think of how we estimate.
We estimate, right? So before we actually solve the problem, we make an estimate. Why is making an estimate a good idea? Why is that helpful for us?
So then you have an idea of where the answer is going to be near to.
Exactly, so that you have a frame of reference, right? You can compare the answer that you get to your estimate. Because if you think you have a really good estimate and you know your answer is very far from your estimate, it might make you double check and say, okay, I think something went wrong here, let me go back. Because if my estimate makes sense to me, maybe the answer I came up with doesn't really make sense. Okay? So having an estimate allows you to think critically about the question, to anticipate an expected result, and then to double check the answer that you get back to your estimate. Does that make sense?
Yep.
Yeah? Okay, good. So right now, individually, okay, before we talk as a group, I want you to write down your best guess.